This is my project for meiosis versus mitosis in biology. So basically I built it in Minecraft, and that's mitosis, it's meiosis 1, and that is meiosis 2. So I'm just going to read the steps of every single one here. And yeah, interphase. The cell prepares for meiosis or mitosis. And we're going to do mitosis first. Prophase. Sister chromosomes condense. So they're starting to condense. The centrioles begin moving to opposite sides of the cell. That happens between prophase and metaphase. Metaphase, the spindle fibers align at the cell's equator, so they all line up in the middle, basically. Anaphase, sister chromatids separate and travel to opposite ends. So they're starting to move away from the middle a little bit. Telophase, the cell membrane starts to pinch. So this is when the cell starts to pinch and breaks apart. In the next step, cytokinesis divides the cell into two daughter cells. So basically, they just continued to separate, and eventually they just broke off from one another and made two daughter cells. Next is meiosis 1. Prophase 1. Chromosomes begin to condense. So you see here they're condensing. Oh wow. Crossing over occurs in between the two stages. Metaphase 1. Spindle fibers attach to chromosomes and line up in the middle of the cell. So they all start to line up kind of in the center. Anaphase 1. Chromosomes start to move to opposite sides of the cell as spindle fibers shorten. So they're starting to move away from the middle. Telophase 1. Chromosomes reach opposite sides. Nuclear membrane forms. So here they're starting to break apart. Cytokinesis 1. Cell division occurs. So this makes two new daughter cells, and if we follow this blue stained glass all the way up here, we will find meiosis 2. Prophase 2. Chromosomes begin to condense. Nuclear membrane dissolves and spindle fibers form. Metaphase 2. Spindle fibers attach to chromosomes. Chromosomes line up in the center of the cell. Oh wow, that's great. Anaphase 2. Centromeres divide and sister chromatids move to opposite sides of the cell as spindle fibers shorten. So basically they're moving out of the middle again. It's like the third time they've done this. I don't know why. Well, I do know why, but... Telophase 2. Chromosomes reach opposite sides. Nuclear membrane forms. So this is when it starts to pinch again. And cytokinesis 2, cell division occurs, and it makes two new daughter cells. And this took 2 hours of my life to make. And I'm gonna have to edit this video, so probably 2.5. So